Just as long as it's happening to somebody
What are you doing?
It's all real. And it's all real.
Get a toy. Ask me a toy. Go get a toy. Ask her to get a toy. Go get it.
Premiering October
Get a toy. Get. Get a toy. Get. Ask it. Get. Get. Get a toy. Get. Get.
Discover a light yogurt like no other. Activia Light.
Get a toy.
Fat-free and above all, the only
Go get it.
that has bifidus regularis and is clinically proven to help regulate your digestive system. Activia Light.
If you're taking
Yeah.
extra strength Tylenol a day on the
What
days
else?
that you have arthritis pain, you could end up taking
What else,
4
Shadow?
times the number of pills compared to a
What?
bee. Choose a pills.
Mm-hmm.
Just
I understand. I understand.
all day.
Stop. Stop. Okay. Get your point for us.
Find someone special in 6 months. Guaranteed. Visit Match.com, where 20,000 new people join every day.
I'm the wing king from Buffalo, man. These guys didn't know they were eating Wing Street wings from Pizza Hut. Troublesome cough. With a naturally effective Ricola. Now, mixed berries with vitamin C.
Breaking up is hard. Allstate will do it for you. Switch to Allstate, and your new agent will help tell your older friends.
What are you doing?
Comfortable breakup moments in serious cash. Drivers who switch save an extra $396 a year. $473 if they just got it. Breaking up is easy to do. That's Allstate, Stan. Are you moving ahead?
Where are you going?
This is Dave. Dave used to be a cop, but tonight we find him moping around a local parking lot. It turns out that he's lost his job and his girlfriend has just dumped him. He's hit rock bottom. Contact with the cookie for the perfect opportunity to nab the intoxicated driver. But the suspect isn't interested in giving up and tries to make a break for it. He drives his vehicle off-road. Hunt, however, sticks doggedly to
Even if they're off, doesn't matter.
No, it's a couple years old.
Okay. So, dogs want to eat. I'll give Onyx hers. Right over here. I'll give Shadow his. Right over here. Shadow will give it to you first. There you go. Want some for Tuka? Huh? What do you want? What? Okay. Because you asked for it, I'm gonna give it to you. It's food for your belly. You put it in your belly now. Make it poop out of it. Make him poop out of it. Be like, hey, I'm making a poop out of this stuff. That's what I'm doing. I'm making the poops. Change the battery pack. Why would I change the battery pack when I just put this in?
Probably because it went dead on me.
What are you doing, Dad? You're cooking.
I'm cooking. Cooking steak.
Ah.
Oh, you're freaking spitting on the floor while you're burping. That's disgusting. That's like that. Free? Oh, I left my.
Good, so you're not gonna stay for dinner.
What, Bruce? Were you talking to me?
Staying for dinner.
Hello. What are you doing? That's what are you doing? What do you got? You got the toy. You got a nice toy. Huh? You got a nice toy. Huh? Huh? Oh yeah. Shadow, what are you doing? Hey, Shadow. Hey, Shadow. Oh, you know I hid your treats in there, but you're not gonna get those now. You already had one. I just gave you one. That means you cannot have another one for a little while. Huh? That's what it means, Ax? Is that what it means? Huh? Is that what it means, Shadow? Huh? Yeah. Oh, look at this one with her tail and her toys. Huh? Hmm? What you got there, Alex? What do you have? You have a toy. This one. This one's your toy. This one. You got it. You got that toy alright. You got that toy alright. Yeah. Right. Where is it? Hey. Thanks. Speak. 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 Hey, speak. 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 And speak. Yeah. Good job. Good job. You're so brave and intelligent. Huh? Right? Hey. Speak. Speak. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. It's raining out. It's raining. Yeah. Why do you keep looking over and say raining? Hmm? Oh. Oh. Hmm. Stop. Okay, okay. Okay, no more. Barking is not necessary. Oh. Okay, okay. You did good. You did a good job. You did the good ones. You did the good ones. You did it. You stopped me from making a noise. You stopped me from making a noise. You did. You did a good job. Huh? Did a good job. Hmm. Oh, you're tired, huh? You're a tired dog? I know it is. My nose itches. Oh, yeah. Good old fashioned butt squatch? That what you want, a good old fashioned butt squatch? Huh? Good old fashioned butt squatch? Huh? Is that what he wants? Butt squatching? Huh? The butt squatch? Right. Right. Hey, Shadow. That's not for you. That's not for you. What's he thinking, Max? Then he's gonna take the garbage off the floor and eat it? That's what he's thinking. Well, how will you get a butt squatch then? You want a butt squatch, right? Yeah? Good old fashioned dog butt scratch. Huh? You good old fashioned dog butt scratch? Huh? What? I can't squash your butt if you're fighting me. Can't squash if you're fighting me. It's raining out there though. Do you really want to go outside? You want to go outside? You shut up. Stop. Stop. Come. Don't run too fast. Your leg is hurt. Don't run too fast. What do you want? Okay. You knew the password. You knew the password, alright. You knew that password. How do you know what the password was, huh? How? Tell me this information. Who's the spy on the inside? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, Shadow? Huh? Huh? You tell me right now. You tell me. Tell me. What was the spy on the inside? Hmm? Better not be trying to steal that wrapper again. Hey, stop. You dumb butt. Dumb butt. Hey, dumb butt. Dumb butt. Come on. Hi. Hi. What do you smell? Hmm? What? Huh?
Don't rip it.
Get a toy. Get.
Alex, don't let him have it. Keep it, Alex. Keep it. That was dragging her around the room.
Get a toy.
Get it, Shadow. Get it. Don't rip that one out.
Get a toy.
Get your teeth with it, though.
Oh shit, my gun broke. Better, I guess.
Yeah, but I still think maybe we should burn it.
Get it, Alex. Get it. Get it, Alex. Get it. Go get it, Alex. Go get it. Go get it, Alex. Get it. Take it from him. Hey, leave it.
Good time. I suspect he enjoys it. Is that true, Shadow? Stuck on his foot. He got his foot stuck in it. Normally I'd be concerned, but this is actually kind of funny, so I'm going to allow it. Oh. Good boy, Shadow. Don't eat it, though. Shadow. Don't eat it. Shadow. Come on, man. Flop it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's gross. That's the grossness. Actually, can I sneak in underneath here? Or by you? Thanks. Right, Onyx.
What is this thing we're going to?
It's a charity event for dogs with Down syndrome.
Oh, I thought you were kidding.
Epidemic.
It's Matt Freeman, the Oracle. He's a fantasy
The
football genius.
dog.
He just licked a hot dog. Your client's going away for 10 years. What? You give me the number one pick, but I knock you down from 10 to 7. What was that? You go for 5 years, and I just want to stay here in Peters.
You guys are insane.
Are you saying something?
No.
Think about it saying something.
No, I don't think so. Nah, yo. God, you look very vicious. Wow. What'd you guys do to him today? Looks mean.
We talk about things, and I felt my gut, in my heart, and in my mind, it was the right move.
One change in the game. It is Jorge Posada batting 6th behind Alex Rodriguez. The is batting 6th. Joe said it's simply a matchup.
What are you barking at?
Casimir Posada much better numbers, 11 for 25 with a home run.
What are you guys barking at?
28 in his career against Casimir, guys.
Was she on my bed today, by the way? You got that shit. You got the nice bone, huh? Got the nice dog bone, I see. That's a nice one. It's like a grade A dog quality. Dog paws. My little sister here doing the same thing. Little sister. You guys like those things? They're the good stuff. They're the good ones. Shadow, what were you saying? Shadow. Excuse me, Shadow, what were you saying? What? Wait, what? Oh. Oh. Yeah, why didn't I think of that? Oh, yeah, of course. No, yeah. I know exactly what you mean. But what else were you saying though? You were saying, oh, okay. And what do you think about that? Yeah? Oh, yep. Yep. And what else? Okay. Oh, yeah. No, I agree. I told you. Yeah, no, I agree with you. No, you don't have to. No, I agree. Shadow, I agree. 100%, I agree. Everything you're saying, I mean, it makes complete sense to me, you know? It makes complete sense. It's like a bum leg, you can't run. You can't run, you got a bum leg. You can't run 'cause you got a bum leg. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, yeah. 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 You guys are crazy. You're the crazy ones. You two are the crazy ones. You're both crazy.
You show me how to use it, Bruce, next week?
Yep.
If I get it?
Mm-hmm. You can write down the model number.
Only if you clean out the spiders. I'm afraid of the spiders. Take.
Which one do you want?
The green one.
Karen, there's no spiders.
Yeah, there is.
I promise. Come on here.
That's my first day there. I'm just observing things going on like that. She goes,
Oh, I do. Viola Glazer. Oh, Mrs. Glazer. Mrs. Glazer. Because she's suspected.
and I said,
It's funny now.
that's what she said to me.
I would fire up the girl now because he put a call.
Who's that?
Rossini's.
Rossini's, where's that? Oh, that's where the old walls used to be. You ever had their pizza?
Hey, Norm, what do we all gather here for today?
7 years ago, our father said...
Scott, what are we all here for today?
What he said. Nick's graduation party.
Nick's graduation party.
Hey, Ross, why are we here today?
Nice.
For chicken?
And because my wrist is so small, I remember when you made that. I have a very hard time getting it off and on because there's not enough room. Is this any more expensive than the other part? Yep. Well, look, what do you pay for this? And I made it. I remember you doing that. What would you pay for that if you didn't have to make it? I made it.
It's probably around $30 or $35.
I made that bracelet. It's a mother bracelet. Katie, Sarah, and